Hello, good morning, students. See, in a GK, we are now on chapter number 6 of unit 3rd, and that is colors in language. लैंग्वेज में कलर्स को किस तरह से यूज हुआ है, यहाँ पर ये समझने वाली चीज है. देखिए, ईडियम्स के थ्रू, इंग्लिश में आपने ईडियम सुना होगा, तो ईडियम्स एंड ईडियम इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट हैव सर्टेन मीनिंग that is not directly linked to the individual words being used. Idioms exist in every language. Idiom में क्या होता है, कुछ वर्ड्स का ग्रुप होता है और उसका एक सर्टेन मीनिंग होता है दैट इज नॉट डायरेक्टली लिंक्ड टू द इंडिविजुअल वर्ड्स बीइंग यूज. उसमें जो वर्ड यूज हुआ है जरूरी नहीं है कि उसका जो मतलब है वही उस ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स या ईडियम का मतलब होगा. उसका मतलब एकदम डिफरेंट भी हो सकता है ना. तो इसी तरह से लैंग्वेज में, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में कलर्स को हम यूज करते हैं कुछ इस तरह से. देखिए, इडियम्स एग्जिस्ट इन एवरी लैंग्वेज. हर लैंग्वेज में इडियम्स का यूज होता है. यहाँ पर देखिए, आप अपनी बुक में देखिए, पेज नंबर 24 है. कंप्लीट द इडियम्स इन द गिवन सेंटेंसेस विथ कलर वर्ड्स. पहला सेंटेंस है, द डल क्लाउडी वेदर इज गिविंग मी द डैश. अब ब्रैकेट में उसका मीनिंग दिया हुआ है सैड और डिप्रेस्ड, है ना. तो डल क्लाउडी वेदर कैसी फीलिंग दे रहा है, सैड और डिप्रेस्ड फीलिंग दे रहा है. तो यहाँ पर अगर हम इडियम्स की तरह उसको यूज करेंगे तो यहाँ पर जो कलर आता है वो ब्लूज आता है ना. तो द डल क्लाउडी वेदर इज गिविंग मी द ब्लूज, है ना. गिविंग मी द ब्लूज, it is an idiom here. So giving me the blues means making me sad or depressed. Second sentence is, during the war people in the cities were forced to dash out their windows so nobody could see them, meaning turning off lights. Turning off lights, lights को बंद कर देना, it is known as blackout. So blackout is a word, it is an idiom here. So blackout means turning off lights. Sentence third, I wish my friend would use his dash matter while making crazy plans, meaning brains or intelligence, है ना. तो brains और intelligence को यूज करना. My friend would use his gray matter, यहाँ पर जो कलर का नाम आएगा दैट इज ग्रे. तो ग्रे मैटर वाइल मेकिंग क्रेजी प्लान्स. सो ग्रे मैटर मीन्स यूजिंग ब्रेन और इंटेलिजेंस. आवर टीचर gave us the dash light to begin a new project. So meaning to give permission. So when we are giving the permission, then the name of the color used is green. So green light, giving green light means allowing something, giving permission to do something, that is called green light, है ना. And fifth, I was dashed with envy when I heard that my cousin's team won a trophy, meaning to be very jealous. When become very jealous of something, yeah, with somebody, then our face turns green. So the color here is, I was green with envy. Envy, jealousy. Jealousy से जो है हरा हो गया चेहरा, है ना. So the green word is here used, green with envy. Green with envy means turning to be very jealous. So 6, my mother was tickled by my aunt's visit when she was in town, meaning to be very pleased. To be very pleased, we use pink color. So tickled pink. My mother was tickled pink by my aunt's visit. Tickled pink. So to be very pleased. बहुत खुश हो जाना. My father's friend is finally out of the red and is now making money. So red, out of debt. मतलब ऋण से मुक्त हो जाना, कर्जे से मुक्त हो जाना. Out of debt. My father's friend is finally out of the red and is now making money. So red, out of being the red means out of being debt. The new farmhouse we bought the last year is a real dash elephant. Its maintenance is expensive and nobody goes there. In bracket, meaning a useful possession. What is a useful possession? Is a real white elephant. So white elephant will use here. Okay. In the ninth sentence, the man has dash streak. He will never come to your defense. To be cowardly means having yellow streak. So we'll use the color yellow here. So yellow streak means to be cowardly. कायरता से behave करना. And the 10th sentence, I decided to go out with my best friend and paint the town dash, meaning go out to party and have a good time, means and paint the town red. Paint the town red means going for the party and have a good time. So students, you have seen here that how the idioms are used in the English languages, and especially here the colors were used and they were making the different meanings over here. So go through the chapter. I am giving the photo of this chapter also, so do it, and thank you and goodbye for now.